Hello everyone, welcome to Backbenchers Coding. In this Android tutorial, we will learn about Android menus. So let us look what an Android menu means. Here in this picture, we see a simple activity. On clicking on this icon, we see a list of items. This list of items is termed as menu. And the methods we are going to use here are onCreateOptions menu, which is a method for adding menu in the activity, within which we use inflator.inflate method. Inflator is an object of menu inflator that calls inflate method, which is used to access menu file and decompress the data. The next method we are using is onOptions item selected, which is used for adding listener to the items of menu. So let us implement Android menu. So for that, go to Android Studio, start a new Android Studio project. Give its name as Android menu. Select a company domain and a project location and click on next. Select phone and tablet and click on next. Here select empty activity and click on next. The activity name here is main activity. Uncheck the checkbox of generate layout file and click on finish. So now that our project has launched, go to this AVD manager icon and click on it to start a virtual device or emulator. Click on the play button. So now that our emulator has started, go back to Android Studio. Here we'll create a new directory within resource folder. So right click on resource, new directory, and give its name as menu. Click on OK. And within this menu directory, we'll create a new menu resource file and we'll name it as my menu. Select OK. Now within here, we'll create items which will be our menu items for that item, and we'll provide them ID as ID start for suppose, and we'll provide them title as well, and the title would be start. Now likewise we'll create 3 more items. Now I have added 3 more items which are stop, resume and settings to my menu as menu items. So now let us access this menu in our activity file. For that, go to main activity. Here for adding menu, we need to override a method. So right click, generate, override methods, and here write onCreateOptions menu, and we do not need the return statement right now. To access the menu, we'll write a menu inflator. So menu inflator equals get menu inflator, after which we'll call inflate method by using the object inflator and pass as parameters our XML files r.menu.myMenu, and I want my menu to be displayed. Now we require the return statement, so we'll write return true, and this method is done. Now to apply listener to our menu, what we are going to do here is we are going to override another method. So right click, generate, override methods, and the method name is onOptions item selected, and clear its return statement as well. Now within which we are going to get the ID of the item we have selected. For that, we are going to use int ID equals item dot get item ID, and we are going to use a switch statement over here. Switch ID case r.id.start, within which we'll generate a toast. A toast is a simple pop-up message, and write our message as start over here, and also provide a break statement. Now similarly, create cases for stop, resume and settings as well. So I have created cases for stop and changed the message to stop, resume case and changed its message to resume, settings and changed its message as well. Now we need to provide a return statement over here. So I am going to write return true. And lastly, what we are going to do here is within the resource folder, we are going to create a new directory called layout. So new directory and name it as layout. And within this layout folder, create a new resource file and name it as activity_main. Now select OK. And now go to main activity.java and register this activity over here by using the method setContentView. r.layout.activity_main, save it and run your project. And click on OK. So here is our output for Android menu. If we click on this icon, we will be able to see our menu. And if we click on any of these items of the menu, like start, so it shows the corresponding start toast. Next we click on resume, so it shows the corresponding toast, and likewise it will show the corresponding toast. So if you like our video, please share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. For more tutorials, please visit backbencherscoding.com.